Sitting here in Wawa, got my food. Really hot. Laura went back in because they didn't put something in the bag. This old Range Rover, I think it's a Range Rover, right? It looks like a Range Rover. Pulls up and it's making really bad tapping. Kind of sounds like either the muffler's off or it has a leak in the exhaust right there, you'd say. Just going tap 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 tap, really loud. They just basically sat there with the running like that, and there's a lot of water pouring out of the bottom right there. It's in here for about 10 minutes and it's still leaking. I was gonna say something to him about that tap. They should get it taken a look at it. They got a little kid in the car, baby, but the lady looked at me like a little snobby, so I ain't saying anything. God bless them. I hope they get home soon.